Holiday Air Jordan 11 is always a highlighted and sought after drop. If you want to avoid the madness of trying to cop these in December, stay tuned because I have some information about tomorrow's exclusive access drop. What's up everybody? As always, I hope you guys are having a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. If you're new here, I'm Jordan, a sneaker collector local to Las Vegas area. If you're watching this, I'm assuming you're a sneakerhead. I'm a sneakerhead. This whole channel revolves around sneakers, so consider subscribing. Main topic we are covering today is the shock drop that will be happening tomorrow. Also going to be going over the specs, and I'm going to show you guys my in-hand video of these. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video so you can make a knowledgeable purchase of the Cherry Air Jordan 11. Every year during the Christmas season, Jordan Brand does a Jordan 11 drop. We've seen the Concords, we've seen the Breads, we've seen the Jubilees, all great sneaker releases, and this year we are going to be seeing the Air Jordan in the Cherry colorway. The set release date, not the shock drop, will be on December 10th, 2022. They will be releasing in full family sizing, and the retail price for the men's pair will be $225. Style code is CT8012-116. The shock drop has not been confirmed by Nike, but I feel like it is better to let you guys in on this information than not say anything and this drop happen and we all miss out. Tomorrow, November 15th at 12 p.m. there will be a sneakers live video. It will feature guests like Nigel Sylvester. Now you will have to go into the sneakers app, find the live stream. I'd recommend watching the whole thing through. That way when it pops up, you're already in. I feel like if you try and go in when you get a text from somebody else, you're gonna be fighting everybody else trying to get in as well. Here are some tips. They're basic, but they're very important. First up, make sure your credit card is in sight. It usually asks you to enter the CVV. Also, make sure your shipping address is correct. And lastly, make sure the app is updated. Also, I would close all your other tabs and just have the sneakers app up, as this is a live stream and you do want to have the best connection possible. I do want to end this video showing you guys this in-hand video I took of them at SneakerCon. If you guys watched the Culture Kings video, you saw that I was able to see them in hand again. And before I give you my opinion on this shoe, I do want to say that make sure to subscribe because I will have more shorts and a more in-depth video going over this release coming soon to the channel. Also, make sure you turn on notifications because I do upload videos about sneakers that are time sensitive and you don't want to miss out on that. In my opinion, I feel like these are a cop. Now, am I going to go out and cop them? I might throw a few raffle tickets in here and there, but I don't think I'm going to go crazy to try and get these. Why? Because my main objective is getting the Chicago Reimagines and the AJ2s. The AJ2s are a real big special sneaker to me, so that is my main goal. I was listening to another sneaker YouTuber yesterday. I forget who it is right now, but he said that the Cherry 11s are going to brick. I could see that happening. I could also not see that happening. I love holiday releases like this though, because husbands are buying them for their wives, wives are buying them for husbands, siblings are buying them for their other siblings. It's a great present, sneakers during Christmas, so that is why I anticipate that these will sell out. If you guys are looking for streetwear and sneaker Christmas presents, make sure to check out at Kicked Out LV. We will have Black Friday sales going up soon, and also check out the Poshmark if you want items shipped to you. Both of the links are in the description. Thank you to everyone who has already placed orders. It means a lot. Let me know if you guys are going after this shoe. As always, I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. See you in the next one. Peace. But he said that the Poshmark, I don't know why I'm getting deja vu there, but I forget. I was listening.